We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this very fun lime green 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer with Blackout package. This does feature the 24 inches of black ATP stone guard along the bottom of the front. Comes with your jack, safety chains, and coupler. This is a V-nose trailer. This does have a lime green screwed exterior. Tandem axle. Comes with the two greasable 5,200-pound axles. It is fully wired with LED drive lights. Here we have the spring assisted loading ramp. It's made of the heavy duty plywood. There are 4 D-rings that are built in. The walls and floor are made of heavy duty plywood. Here we have your dome light, which is controlled by the light switch here next to your passenger entry door. This does come with 2 vents built in, one in the front, one in the rear. Once again, this is our 8.5 by 24 foot lime green enclosed trailer with Blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.